what's in this hard drive caddy. It looks pretty cool. Got some lights. It's obviously in need of a clean. External box for a hard disk drive. It weighs something, so it feels like there's something in here. Let's have a look. Apologies for the wobbly footage. I don't have the power adapter for this. Looks like it's old USB and needs a power cable as well, which I don't have. So the best thing for this is to take the drive out. It's a shame, it's quite a nice case. Let's see what size the drive is. Don't know why this won't come off. Maybe it's not designed to. No, it should be. Got these lights are cool. So access, idle and power. And it looks like is it like screwed in or something? This really won't come out. I can't see any screw there. It's like it's been punched in to hold it in place. Okay, we got there in the end. And we have got a 250 gigabyte SATA drive. Most of the weight is actually this box on its own with the metal case. This is quite light really. This is quite substantial. Here's what it says on the back. It's from 2022.